Hi everyone, and welcome to my version of a floodlight or open monitoring practice. So you just want to find a comfortable place. I prefer sitting so I don't fall asleep, but you can do this lying down if it's more comfortable. And as you sit, you're going to sit with an upright posture. And we're going to start with the flashlight focused breathing practice for 2 minutes, and then I'll move into the floodlight practice. So the flashlight practice is just focusing our attention on the present moment through the breath, the rise and fall of the breath. So let's begin. As you inhale, you're just going to notice where your breath goes in the body. And as you exhale, gently letting it float out. And you might find you're breathing quite quick. So one of the things I like to do is just slow things down. Watching the breath now come in, watching it gently go out. And distractions are common. They will come up, and the whole benefit to this practice is really when you can come back to the present moment through the breath. Watching the breath come in, watching the breath go out. Simply noticing the sensations of your breathing. Now let's move into a more expanded and open awareness through a floodlight practice or open monitoring. And here you're just going to sort of sit in what I call my center. So just noticing from your own floodlight or your own center, the room around you. So now we're going to expand our awareness into the room around you. Maybe noticing the sounds in your environment, the space around you. And not trying to stay too long on one particular thing. This is a practice of allowing things to come into your awareness and, like clouds in the sky, float away. Coming back to your center. And when you notice things like thoughts that come up or any distractions, or you stay, with a particular thing too long, all you need to do is label it: thinking, worrying, judging, noticing too long, and then just gently come back to that center, come back to the space around you, come back to the present moment. You might also start to feel body sensations, and that again is part of the awareness. And just noticing, letting it go, and then coming back to your center, your place of awareness in the present moment. You may notice the quality of your breath coming in and out, and then also letting that go. And just remaining open and aware to whatever arises in the moment, and then letting it go. There's nothing to do right now or think about, simply just to be here in the moment. Aware of what is around you, within you. And then letting it go and coming back simply to awareness. And if you find you're too lost in thoughts, you can always revert back into the flashlight practice of just watching the breath come in and out. Coming back again, over and over, back to that gentle awareness of your environment, of your body. Simple awareness in the present moment. Not getting lost in any one sensation, feeling, or thought. Coming back over and over again to the rise and fall of sensations, allowing them to pass like clouds in the sky. returning to this open space of awareness, simply being here in the present moment. Watching, witnessing, pulling yourself back. And now we're at the end of the practice. And one thing I like to do at the end of my meditations is just think about something you appreciate or feel grateful for, just for a few moments before opening your eyes and coming back into the rest of your day. Wishing you a good one.